What's up, guys? Alright, so that was a long day. It's the next day now, nice and bright, looks nice. I'm gonna go ahead and ride home, get some gas first, which I'll probably get by the home. I think I have enough. I'm gonna go ahead and zip up. Oh man, wasn't too bad though. It was alright. Let's head out, shall we? Look at that, it's windy today. Even the street lamps, the traffic lights are moving, shaking. It's gonna be an interesting ride home today then, isn't it? This mirror keeps like coming down. I need to go ahead and get to this lane. Do a little turn, scratch a little pegs, and let's go. Yeah, my ride isn't long, so it's pretty nice for YouTubing. I'll tell you that. Gas. Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Go juice. 147, whatever. I need to fill it up to the top because that pump sucks. So let's go ahead and get going. people will kill you and not even think about it. Oh, look at that. I like that. I have a picture of my bike on there. I'll insert the picture. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this. You know, I know some people have really bad drivers and they made their fame from seeing really bad drivers almost kill them, or, you know, going in front of a bus trying to be cool. You know, it is what it is. That's something that I say a lot. It is what it is, because you can only control so much. Fresh New Jersey air. Yum. Exhaust, fuel, factory, burning rubber from yesterday. I mean, I can't even say last night. It was a long day, night yesterday. Like really long. But it wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. Ooh, let me just go wherever they're going. I know all of you do that when you guys see ramps or those trucks with the fucking car ramps on them. You're like, yo, let's do some Fast and the Furious stuff and just like launch it. Nightgowns, baby. That's what we do. So we hang out here in this place. So cool.